Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I want to do a product spotlight on some Diamond Press Slimline dies from HSN. One of them may not be in stock, but I realized that Diamond Press, I guess some of their popular HSN products will eventually go on their Diamond Press website, which is nice, just like Crafter's Companion and just like Anna Griffin. So let's get started. I had bought this die set from Diamond Press on HSN. And I think I didn't use it because me and these darker dies, I can't see them. But it was this set. And I don't have a name for it. Great. Great. But it's super cute. It is the scallop here and then these drop-ins. Two drop-ins, a rose drop-in and like a just a floral drop-in. I don't know what kind of flower that is supposed to be, but this is the set. And this set works if you have a Diamond Press marquee, which I don't have. I like my cutting plates to stay flat. I don't like, you know, plates that bend. Because I don't generally use, I know it's just my habit, but I don't generally use washi tape when I'm cutting. 8.5 by 3.5 for the widest. And I know for the marquee, I think the marquee's opening is 4 inches wide. So that's why this can work through that little handheld machine. And you can get a marquee from HSN. So with this set, I made this card. Super duper cute. So what this is it's the base with the drop-in cut here. And how I did it, if you're wondering, I used, because I have so much of it now, my, I hope you guys went to Hobby Lobby and found the Bristol Smooth Surface cardstock on clearance. That's where the white background came. And then once I had the image cut out and I had put an adhesive sheet, because of all these little delicate parts and pieces, this with wet glue is just a nightmare. The only thing I had to piece back in was these inner pieces for the flowers. Everything else I left open. And then what I did, that inner piece is glued into, but this white, this was all white, took some ink, took my detail, my Altenew detail brush. Did I show you guys that? I think I did in one of my videos. I'm gonna link it below just in case. But it's a blending brush that looks almost like a pen, this thin. And you dip it in the ink, and so I can get to control. I put the green, then I took, there's 3 brushes in the set. Took the second brush, did the purple, like that, to be able to control it. So that's where I did the flowers. I think this turned out so cute. So this is my first time doing like this kind of strategic detailed ink blending with the purples. And then I went darker in here for these inner pieces, sort of a yellowy, and then I put 2 gems. This is a stamp from, I believe, Brutus Monroe. I will link it below, seeing that I'm bringing attention to it. And the Here For You is here from the same Diamond Press set. So all of this comes together. Now, I put them in 2 separate packs for my sanity. One, I can't see anything with all this black. I wish they had done it in silver. It's easier to see. So with this, I had cut out the words, stuck it here, and then have the words here in black, so I can always be able to find it. Because if I was to store it like this, I would never use this. I would just go straight past it because I don't have the patience to figure like, what is that again? So this time I cut it like, I cut out those words and then made their little thing. So that's what's here. Here For You, I cut out in the same purple base, and then I just use my white jelly roll just to add highlights instead of using glitter. Yeah, she didn't use glitter. That's the only bit of glitter. Glittery look. But I think this is cute. So that's this wonderful little set from Diamond Press HSN. But check Diamond Press periodically just to see if they bring it back. And I'll look for the name of the set because I don't see the name here. I don't know why they don't have the name here, but it is super duper cute. And then, so after that, next up we have the second set, which is this, which is using the roses. So the first set was using this floral, that was here. Then the second set was using the roses. So I love that there's just options. Two completely different looks, right? Love it, love it, love it. All right, I'm gonna go into further detail with this. That's the rose, and then this is the other flower. So I hope that gives you a better visual aid. And then this is the, so I could use this for everything outside of just these flowers. This can just operate by itself like a regular slimline die, and then you drop in. And with this, yes, I did end up using purple tape to hold it in place. Super duper duper cute. So let me show you the samples that I made. So with the rose drop in, I did this card. Now with this type of thing, when you use, of course, yeah, well, I shouldn't say of course, but of course I did. I use an adhesive sheet because you guys know when it comes to all of this going on, I'm using an adhesive sheet. Why the adhesive sheet also is good to use with something like this. When you run it through your die cut machine, even if I ran this through a Gemini, it generally will come through. If you run it once, it'll hold everything in place. It'll cut, but it'll stay in place. If you run it twice, then everything's gonna start popping out. Because I put the adhesive sheet on the back and it all stayed together, this is a 2-for-1 card. So I did a blue background, and before I did the splatter, I took out the elements. That's the blue flowers from this set. Are you kind of seeing the 2-for-1? The yellow flowers, I did a yellow set, so then I do have yellow leaves floating somewhere that I could use. I ran it back again in gold. In this instance, with the gold foil, I just cut little squares and then, you know, ran that just to get the gold. I didn't run the whole plate. So you can just run certain areas. Like if I wanted to just have that yellow, I could just run here. Just put a piece of paper here. I don't have to run the whole thing. Conserve your paper. But I used this blue, these leaves came from this panel. After I took these leaves out, then I did the splatter. So you see, I used just some shady, I've seen a lot of people do this blue leaf with the pink flower, and I just wanted to play with it. And I did this is kind of like a pearl, yeah, pearlescent cardstock, pink cardstock. And then, yes, I had to put a little bit of glitter. You know me and my pink glitter. Just to add, and I didn't put a sentiment because I didn't know what I wanted it to say. So I didn't want to label it by putting on a sentiment. I hope I'm making sense with that. But it does cut so well. And this edge, I love the edging. And then, so this is on a wider card base. This is on a more narrow card base. So here's the blue piece, and then I had cut green and also yellow. And I made this little summery type card. I think it's cute. And then before I did all the piecing back, I kind of, you know, use a little bit of ink. And by it staying together, it was very easy to piece all the pieces back together. Just peel off the adhesive and stick it like a sticker. So that made the whole process very quick and painless. My next diamond press find is I did sign up from their last show, not the last show, not the May show, but the April show. And I believe they still have this in stock. And this time I wrote down the name, Little Birdie Slimline Shadow Box. Love this. And I did sign up for their auto ship. So this is, again, here's a slimline frame to make a shadow box. I can use it. I don't have to use it. I can just cut a rectangle. What I was looking for was the drop-in, this scene drop-in. Love. And then it comes with all these bits and pieces. Also, I plan on making some sort of scene building with this. I just haven't had the chance to do it yet, but I have so much here to work with. I have grass, I have a fence, I have two types of grass, the tree top, a little banner here to put in sentiments, a little, I know it's hard for you guys to see. There we go. A little birdhouse, the tree, the bird, another bird. It's okay, so a lot of birds. The 3 arches, all nice layered out. I don't have to be doing that myself. And some grass. And that fence attaches on the inside here. Super cute examples of how to do this. Alrighty, crafters. Moving on. I haven't used it yet, but it came with stamps. I love that they do give you an instruction sheet because it needs it. I can't see anything. So here, how to use the die and how to make it into a shadow box. And then all these bits give you all the scene building, the grass, etc. And then if you want to, you know, deck it all out, then you bring in the stamps. And there are examples on HSN, and I believe this set is still in stock. I will link it below. But it is super duper cute. And next month they'll have their second slimline from this auto ship. And if you missed out on the auto ship, then you can also buy the individual slimline when they release it on HSN. It will be every 2 months. Will this go on Diamond Press? Hope so. So you can also probably get it there if it goes there. Oh, this is for the stamps and all of that. Super duper cute. I have to figure a storage system for all of this. Alrighty, crafters. I just wanted to hop on to show you some of my Diamond Press goodies, just to show you that I am using what I get from HSN, and that these Diamond Press Slimlines are worth a second look. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.